Welcome back. Now news from sports. Salgaonkar Sports Club coach Tim Hankinson was utterly disappointed after his team's defeat to local rivals Vasco Sports Club. On Sunday evening, I-League club Salgaonkar suffered a 2-1 loss in a Kingfisher GFA Professional League match at Tilak Stadium at Vasco.
The Vasco derby had all the ingredients of an entertaining affair. Vasco got the lead through Prasanta Chakraborty from a penalty in the 44th minute. Chandam Singh equalized for Salgaonkar in the 64th minute. The match was ill-tempered, with several players from each side getting booked. Vasco were reduced to 10 men, with Biju Vittal sent off after 2 bookings. Despite being a man down, Vasco scored the winning goal at the fag end of the match through Koko Sakibu. Salgaonkar Sports Club owner Shivanand Salgaonkar watched the game, and he would have been disappointed with the result. American coach of Salgaonkar Sports Club, Tim Hankinson, was scathing in his criticism of the team's display.
Well, I'm very angry. I mean, it's a simple case of we're a man up. You know, we had a good second half, keeping possession, building chances. We get the equalizer. The game is in our hand, and all it takes is to mark. There's forward. They're playing one man. You mark, you cover. The wing backs pinch in. Keepers got to organize, and those things didn't get done. And so I hold them completely accountable. It was amateur football.
Vasco coach Subrata Bhattacharya was banished from the technical area for ungentlemanly conduct during the match. Subrata criticized the referee for not being fit to handle the aggression in a derby match.
Without aggression, football never happened. The good football.
You don't think so there has to be a limit for aggression?
Maybe there has to limit, and referee should be control this limit. But if it is the duty of referee, but player will go for the winning. They are all professional, so they go for the winning.
A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Matkaikar.
The Goan boxing team is practicing for the upcoming Junior National Boxing Championship to be held in Aurangabad. The state teams will also be taking part in the Under-17 and Under-19 Nationals in Delhi.
With me, I have the boxing coach Praveen Chirorkar. There is intense practice going on in the ring. So, can you tell us what are the upcoming tournaments?
We have a tournament coming in December 25th to 30 at Aurangabad, is Junior Nationals, and we also have Under-17 and Under-19 Nationals coming at Delhi from 23rd to 27th December.
So first is the Junior National Aurangabad.
Yeah, both are clashing. Yeah.
So you are taking part in the Aurangabad?
Both nationals we are taking part.
Okay. So how is the practice going?
The camp is not yet started. The practice have already started, but practice is with a very high intensity now.
Okay. And when is the camp going to start?
Camp is going to start on 25th of November.
And will there be selections for the camp?
Selection has been already done for the camp during the inter-school tournament.
Our sports reporter from Kampal, Noel D'Souza, with video journalist Dhananjay Swarnakar for Prudent Media.
Gymnastics is a sport involving performance of exercises requiring physical strength, flexibility, balance and grace. Artistic gymnastics typically involves the women's events of uneven parallel bars, balance beam, floor exercise and vault. But today in our image of the day, we have before you the other side of gymnastics. You laugh and even cry watching these scary and painful crashes. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media.